And now try to put it together again. Okay. Hey, thanks for the hearts. What's up? Making a ring. All right, now I'm gonna look through the light again. Okay, see now that's pretty flat. It's pretty flat when I put it together. I just need to make sure the tension is good. I need to make sure that it's nice and tight. Hello. And I think I got good tension on my ring. All right, cool. Now, I'm ready to solder. Not exactly, hold on. Be right back. I forgot a flux. It's right here, don't worry. I don't gotta go far. Okay, got the flux. Boom. Check it in the light again. Make sure that's pretty goddamn close. I don't feel any scratches anywhere, so I know it's doing good. All right, we gotta get this in the line of the camera so y'all can see. Get this out the way. I don't want to melt or burn anything. Get all my crap out of the way. Okay. And I'm really pushing it with this size brazing rod because it might get hot. And I might get burnt live. But I don't really want to get burnt. So, as you can see, I'm healing.